We are here today with my colleagues, members of the National Assembly, to meet with our governor and our leader from Bauchi State. We're here on a special invitation to discuss the ongoing realignment that is going on in Nigeria entirely, but most especially in our state, Bauchi State, to discuss some critical issues bordering the development of our state. And we have reached a certain conclusion, positive conclusion. And we hope, by the grace of God, within a short period of time, we'll come out again and make our position known to the entire public to know what exactly our discussions are all about. We'll continue with consultations. We'll engage our critical stakeholders from the state. We'll inform them about our meeting with His Excellency that so much have a listening ear. Just yesterday, we had critical stakeholders meeting, and today we are meeting with him as a leader. So after today, by the grace of God, we wish and hope His Excellency will look into so many issues that have been tabled before him by the leadership of our party and some critical stakeholders from our party, the APC. Thank you, Your Excellency, for hosting us. Thank you, sir.
It's important that we approach them with caution, maturity, and sense of responsibility. As a party, the APC has always upheld the principles of inclusiveness and dialogue. However, it is equally important to recognize and respect the collective effort and sacrifices of loyal members who have consistently worked and built and sustained the party, often under challenging circumstances. The APC's strength lies in its structure, discipline, and commitment to internal democracy. It is a party that values fairness, reward genuine contributions, and ensure that every member has the opportunity to participate and be heard. These principles must continue to guide all decisions, especially in moments that may test our unity and cohesion.
Can hide and seek me.
We don't do that. Just the statement.
Are we ready?
Comprising of the Senator.